Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying compatibility and that Apple still signs the iOS version you want. This matters because unsigned versions cannot be installed. Next, make a current backup to iCloud or Finder because you will erase the device. Once done, download the exact IPSWA for your model and connect the iPhone to a computer. Put it into recovery or DFU mode following model-specific button sequences. This initiates the restore pathway and prevents partial installs or bricked states. You now use Finder or iTunes to force the restore. Hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows while clicking Restore to select the IPSWA. This tells the tool to install the chosen firmware rather than the latest Apple-supplied version. Make sure the IPSWA checksum matches the source so you don't install a corrupted file. During the restore, watch status messages for errors and keep the iPhone connected and awake. Interrupting here risks a failed restore that requires DFU retry. Once the restore finishes, set up your iPhone from the backup you made or start fresh to ensure no corrupted settings return. This is why backing up was critical. If the process fails, retry using DFU mode, swap cables or USB ports, and try another computer. Simple hardware fixes often solve transfer errors. If Apple no longer signs the target iOS, a rollback is blocked. You can research unsupported workarounds, but don't proceed without understanding the legal and stability risks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.